Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Integrating Python and .NET, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. Introduction. Python and .NET are two powerful programming platforms, each with its strengths and use cases. In this tutorial, we will explore how to integrate Python and .NET, allowing you to leverage the strengths of both platforms in a seamless manner. We'll cover various aspects, including calling Python code from .NET and vice versa, sharing data between the two languages, and deploying a mixed language application. Prerequisites. Part 1, Calling Python code from C#.NET. Step 1, Install the Pythonnet library. Step 2, Create a simple Python script, example.py. Step 3, Create a C# console application. Part 2, Calling C# code from Python. Step 1, Create a C# class library project. Step 2, Implement a simple C# class, Greeting.cs. Step 3, Build the C# class library. Step 4, Use the C# library in Python. Part 3, Sharing data between Python and C#. Step 1, Use Python data in C#. Step 2, Use C# data in Python. Conclusion. Integrating Python and .NET provides a powerful combination for building versatile applications. Whether you need to call Python code from C# or vice versa, or share data seamlessly between the two languages, this tutorial has covered the basics to get you started. Explore further to discover additional features and possibilities for creating mixed language applications. ChatGPT. Tutorial, Integrating Python and .NET. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to integrate Python with .NET using the Python.NET library, Pythonnet. This integration allows you to leverage both Python's extensive libraries and the capabilities of .NET framework within a single application. We'll walk through the installation process, basic usage, and provide code examples to demonstrate the integration. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. Importing .NET assemblies. Python.NET allows you to import .NET assemblies directly into your Python code. You can use the CLR module to access .NET namespaces and classes. Loading .NET assemblies. You can load .NET assemblies using the CLR.addReference function. This function takes the name of the assembly as an argument. Using .NET classes in Python. Once the assembly is referenced, you can access its classes and methods in Python code. Let's create a simple example that demonstrates the integration of Python and .NET. We'll create a Windows Forms application that displays a message box when a button is clicked. Save the above code in a file named python_.net_example.py. To run the example, you should see a Windows form with a button labeled Click Me. When you click the button, a message box with the text Hello from Python and .NET will appear. In this tutorial, we explored how to integrate Python and .NET using the Python.NET library. We covered the installation process, basic usage, and provided a code example demonstrating the integration. With Python.NET, you can combine the strengths of both Python and .NET to build powerful applications with ease. Explore further to leverage the full potential of this integration in your projects. ChatGPT. Title, Integrating Python and .NET, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. Introduction. Python and .NET are two powerful and popular programming languages that serve different purposes. Python is renowned for its simplicity, readability, and versatility, while .NET is a robust framework developed by Microsoft for building Windows applications and web services. Integrating Python with .NET can offer a powerful combination of capabilities. This tutorial will guide you through the process of integrating Python and .NET, showcasing code examples along the way. Prerequisites. Step 1. Create a .NET console application. Open a terminal and run the following commands to create a new .NET console application. Step 2. Install Python.NET package. Add the Python.NET package to your .NET project by running the following command. This package enables communication between Python and .NET. Step 3. Write Python code in .NET. Open the program.cs file in your preferred code editor and modify it as follows. Step 4. Create Python function. In the same project directory, create a new file called python_script.py and add the following Python code. This simple Python function multiplies the input by 2. Step 5. Configure Python path. In your program.cs file, before the main method, add the following line to set the Python path. Step 6. Build and run. Now, build and run your .NET application. Enter a number when prompted, and the result from the Python function should be displayed in the console. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Python with a .NET console application. This tutorial covered the basic setup, installation of the Python.NET package, writing Python code in a .NET project, and executing the integrated solution. This combination allows you to leverage the strengths of both Python and .NET in a single application. Explore further by incorporating more complex Python scripts or integrating Python with other .NET components. ChatGPT. Title: Integrating Python and .NET, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Python and .NET are powerful programming languages, each with its strengths and use cases. Integrating Python with .NET can open up new possibilities, allowing developers to leverage the strengths of both languages within the same application. In this tutorial, we'll explore various methods to achieve seamless integration between Python and .NET, along with code examples for better understanding. Prerequisites. Method 1. Using Python for .NET, Pythonnet. Python for .NET, or Pythonnet, is a package that provides interoperability between Python and .NET. It allows you to use .NET libraries in Python and vice versa. Installation. Example code. Method 2. Using IronPython. IronPython is an implementation of Python for the .NET framework, providing seamless integration with .NET libraries. Installation. Example code. Method 3. Using Pythonnet NuGet package in C#. You can also use Python from within a .NET application using the Pythonnet NuGet package. Example code, C#. Method 4. Using .NET Core interoperability. If you're using .NET Core, you can leverage the Python.NET NuGet package for seamless integration. Example code, C#. Conclusion. Integrating Python and .NET offers a powerful combination for developers. Whether you choose Python for .NET, IronPython, or .NET Core interoperability, these methods allow you to harness the strengths of both languages in your applications. Choose the method that best fits your project requirements and start exploring the synergies between Python and .NET. ChatGPT. Title: Integrating Python and .NET, a step-by-step tutorial with code examples. Introduction. Python and .NET are two powerful and popular programming ecosystems, each with its strengths and capabilities. In this tutorial, we will explore how to integrate Python and .NET, allowing you to leverage the strengths of both languages within a single application. We'll cover the basics of calling Python code from .NET using Python for .NET, Pythonnet, and calling .NET code from Python using Python CLR module. Calling Python from .NET using Python for .NET, Pythonnet. Installation. Before you begin, you need to install the Pythonnet package. You can install it using pip. Basic usage. Now, let's create a simple Python script, example.py, that we will call from a .NET application. .NET integration. Next, let's create a simple .NET console application in C# that calls the Python function. Ensure that the Pythonnet package is properly installed in your Python environment. Calling .NET from Python using Python CLR module. Basic usage. Python CLR module allows you to interact with .NET assemblies. For this example, let's create a simple .NET class library in C#, example.net.dll. Compile the class library. Python integration. Now, let's create a Python script that calls the .NET class. Ensure that the example.net.dll assembly is in the same directory as your Python script. Run the examples. Execute both the .NET and Python programs to see the integration in action. For the .NET example. For the Python example. Conclusion. Integrating Python and .NET allows you to harness the strengths of both languages in a single application. Whether you need to leverage existing Python libraries in a .NET project or vice versa, the interoperability provided by tools like Pythonnet and Python CLR module opens up a wide range of possibilities for developers. ChatGPT.